Hi, I'm Don Thompson from Carestream Health. I'm here today with Jill Hayes. Jill's from Rockford, Illinois, from OSF St. Anthony Hospital. You're a customer of ours. You were looking at the Excel Plus, DRX-Excel Plus fluoroscopy and x-ray room. Tell me a little bit more about and tell us what you really like about that product, why you're looking at it for your facility.
Well, I went ahead and came to see the Carestream Fluoroscopy Room today because I'm really interested in the low profile, 18 inches from floor to tabletop. Currently, I'm used to one that's much higher, so it can be kind of cumbersome to move patients from the floor up onto the table. I also really enjoy the room and how you can fully get to your patients all the way around the table. You know, I no longer have a large floor unit that I have to try to shove out of the way before I can reach my patients. I also really enjoy the full functionality of the room. It truly is a multi-purpose and multi-function room. I can take and do chest x-rays in there, I can do extremity work in the room, and then I can turn around and I can fluoro my patient. I also enjoy the option to have a Spooly program that's with the room as well. You know, I can take and that's great. It's really what we're looking for in the tomography as well.
And so you were also saying you're looking to actually replace an existing room and put
Correct.
the Excel Plus in there?
Correct. We are looking to replace our current room and do the Excel Plus in there. I mean, it has way more functions than our current room. Our current room is just a plain fluoroscopy room. I don't have any other chest wall bucky or anything like that in there. That's all that it serves. The purpose is just for fluoro. And we're really excited about having a machine that can be multifunctional and that we can use that to help so many more patients. You know, we can increase, hopefully, our numbers served to be able to offer more options for techs and for patients.